Hi all, welcome to our Linux command series, and in this video we are going to learn about more command and less command. So the more command is used to view the large file content, okay, and below are some navigations keys or commands you can say, which help us in navigating the file. Okay. Next we will use the less command. It is also used for viewing the large files. However, we have some advanced features apart from those that are provided in more command. So we will see on those. As you can see, there is having a good kind of navigation commands. Okay, just like to move enter, we can move forward one line. But what about if we want to go the back, right? So we have that move down to the one line, up to the one line, and if we are in the middle of the screen, let's see, we are in the half of the screen, so we can just with the key with the G, we can go to the beginning of any file, and with the capital G, we can go at the end of the file, just like okay, and we have the pattern search. In the more, we have only forward pattern searching, but in less, we have the backward pattern searching as well. Okay, so without wasting time, let's move to our screens and do some hands-on on those commands. So friends, now we are on our Linux screen. Let's play with more command. Okay, so syntax is very simple. More than this. Okay. So as you can see, currently more is on 0%, right? So this shows that we are seeing the content from the first line on the very first phase, that is from the starting of our file. Okay. As we initially move towards the file, okay, so the percentage will increase. So So we can move screen by screen using one page at once, means using the space bar. So I have moved with the space bar, and you can see the another screen is used. So then if I move, okay, certainly the percentage will increase. Now there's the thing, I'm using the currently space and moving one page at a time. Now let's suppose I have to move only a single line. Let's suppose that we are getting these kind of things and we want so to move one line at a time, we can use the enter key. Now you can see the enter key is there. Okay. So now I'm moving one line at a time. So now if I need to move not not like a spacebar, like with a spacebar I'm moving forward with a complete one page, right? I need to move forward but half of one screen, then I can use D command. Okay, so I have pressed D. Okay, I'm moving half of the page at a time, half of the page at a time. Okay, I hope you are getting the things. Now, let's suppose you want to go outside that. So you just simply press Q and you are outside the window of the more command. Okay. Now let's suppose I have to starting from the 200th line. Okay, let's suppose I need to starting from 200 lines. Then I can use this. You can see I am on this because I am directly landing on. So this is all for more command. So let's move to our less command. Okay. So test java dot log. Okay. So you can see it's starting. Okay, with a one screen, right? Now let's suppose I need to check my files from the ending, right? So I will press capital G from the keyboard and I'm at the end of the file. Okay. Now let's suppose I need to go one screen back, right? So we have the same thing just like in more. We just press the B from the keyboard and we are one screen back. Again, one screen back, one screen back, one screen back. With the U, we can half of the screen backward. With the D, we can half a screen forward. Okay. Now let's suppose I need to search something like that. Okay. Okay, pattern not found. It's maybe a use of this. Okay, let me take another thing. Right. This getting now you can see the with that pattern search it's working and these are highlighted on the one screen. Now let's see if I need to check another instance of this. So I can just press small n to check the that search pattern in the forward method. Okay, you can see. Okay, now I'm at that. Now if I need to search this pattern in the backward, so I can do with capital N. Okay, you can see, right? So let's suppose I need to search the anything in the backend, in the backward style, right? Just like let me think like that. We are at the end of the file. Now I need to search something which is on the backend. Okay, so it can be error code 104. Okay, so the question mark and then the pattern will search that pattern in the backward. So you can see it is on the backward side. So if I now if I press capital N, it will give me the pattern not found because it always search in the opposite direction of the pattern that we are searching. Just like with the forward slash, we are searching the pattern in the forward method. So when I press the capital N, it is pressing in the opposite direction of the forward slash. So it is searching that pattern in the back end. Okay, backward style. Now I have applied the question mark and the pattern that is by default searching the patterns in the backward. Okay, in the backward screen. So now the capital N will work like in the opposite direction and it will try to search that pattern in the forward. Okay. So we are at the end of the file. That's how we are not getting that kind of pattern. Okay. If I press the small n, it will search that pattern, next available pattern. Okay. So you can see we are in the going to the backward and searching that pattern. Okay. So I hope you're finding the less command is more comfortable and more useful than more, because it always it is made in the mind with the mind that we are having those limitation in more command. This all are fulfilled with the less. Okay. So apart from that, if you face an issue, just type H and it will provide you the complete help on the patterns or the navigation to the less command. Okay. These all our attributes are used with the less command. You can do anything with that. If you are familiar with this, all these ones, you are able to search anything or navigating any any kind of file. Okay. So to go outside of this less command, just press Q and you are out of the less command. Okay. So that's how we navigate the big files with more and less command. Less command is more powerful than more command due to all the limitations that we are having in the more command are tried to fulfill in with the less command. Okay. So that's all for this video. Just try to play with these commands and I will see you in the next video.